My name is Zion, and this is my wife Valentina, and we've been doing locksmith for over than 12 years now.
Here in our channel, we will share our knowledge and everything we learned over the years. Here you will find everything about locks and keys, whether it's for your home, office, or vehicle. We will cover it all.
Hey, what's up my friend? Today I'm going to show you how to replace a battery on a GM flip key. Alright, what you need is a flathead screwdriver and 2032 battery. All you do is, there is a small cover here. We're going to pop the cover open. It's very simple. Then you can see the battery, she just popped out. You take a new one, slide it in here, make sure it's sitting well. Then we're going to put the cover back and click it back open, and we're all done. And it's very simple, you can do it yourself, and thank you for watching.